Hey there, Todd with Kratos Equipment here to explain the seemingly confusing runtimes of electric construction equipment like excavators or skid steers. Now, you'll often see the manufacturers of electric excavators, for example, list their runtimes as 6 to 12 hours. Some will give slightly more info, like 6 to 12 hours, depending on RPM. So which is it, 6 or 12 hours?
Well, that's just maddeningly unhelpful. Why are these things never clear?
Well, the truth is that they're not lying to you. It's just not a frame of mind that we're accustomed to when it comes to construction equipment, but we are accustomed to it with battery-powered cell phones. So granted, it's a smaller battery, but it is the same science that applies. So if you're only using your phone for things like texts, calls, or emails, your phone's gonna last all day on a single charge. But if you start playing a game on your phone, you've got 5 hours max, buddy. So some tasks, they take more power than others, and that's exactly why electric equipment manufacturers give a range of runtimes rather than a hard number. So no, manufacturers aren't trying to hide anything about their equipment. They're just giving the most honest answer possible.